pinaka most awaiting ko is syempre duo performance nila. And also syempre, makita sila ulit since nag-araneta na rin ako nung last time. So sabi nila maraming pasabog. Meron silang kinuha from Araneta and then meron din bago ngayon. And excited na akong marinig yung new song nila. I-perform live yung Blink Twice. Sa Bini, oh my gosh. Guys, you saved my life. As in, sobrang pinangawakan ko lahat. Lahat ng sa songs, lahat nakaka-relate ako. Sabi nga nila, buhay ay di ka rin. Kaya, A lang tayo.
You made it, Bini. And siguro ang looking forward ako sa tawag dito, yung humble beginnings nila, paano nila papakita. And kasi di ba repeat to? So, ito yung jump start nila sa world tour nila. So, I hope later, since na tawag dito, na sold out nila yung concert, first ever Filipino act, makita natin kung gaano yung support ng Bloomstead. And
message.
I love you, Bini.
I'm looking forward to having fun at the concert, especially when the song Pantropiko and Lagi-Lagi will be played on the concert. Then a special message to Bini. Congratulations on this splendid concert. Hopefully you have a good concert around the world. So we're looking forward to more of your concerts here as well in the Philippines.
I'm just so excited na sana makanta na yung favorite ko. Pero I'm sure kakantahin nila yung Lagi. Of course, yung Lagi, Feel Good, and I'm just proud of the girls kasi grabe yung journey nila. Ano lang ako, April lang ako nag-start na maging Blooms, pero grabe yung naging inspiration nila sa akin na I'm on my, parang mid-40s na so parang, ako, adjuma. I'm just so glad na naging Blooms ako at I'm so excited kasi first time ko sa arena, tapos sila yung una ko mapapanood.
Message po.
Congratulations, you made it this far. Ang galing nyo and alam ko malayo pa mararating nyo. Good luck!
Looking forward to mag-enjoy and then actually very parang trivia up until Thursday night I really wasn't expecting na makakapunta. It was only Thursday night that something happened. A friend gave me a free ticket for her sister kasi she couldn't make it. And then, ayun. So, hindi ko talaga alam na makakapunta ako. And then, actually, matagal na yung acceptance stage na hindi ako makakapunta. Pero, so, ang message ko sa kanila is break a leg and then maging successful din yung international concert scene.
What I'm looking forward to sa concert are the performances, especially yung Blink Twice na their new single. And then message for the girls. Congrats girls, we're so proud of you. We're here for you sa inyong first leg of the world tour. And I hope na you conquer and more Blooms would come sa around the world. Good luck, see you later!